Jacob Hoskins here, and I just want to walk you through my new online booking system through Power Diary. It's fairly simple and straightforward, as was Clinico, but I'm just migrating from Clinico to Power Diary now, and starting this week I'll be using it. So it's exactly the same way as booking online through Clinico was. It's just that it looks a bit different and the options are a little bit different as well. So as you'll see on my website, just type into Google Jacob Hoskins acupuncture and it'll come up pretty much straight away. Or you can just type in Jacob and acupuncture. That comes up pretty quick too now. But either way, just get to the website or Google Maps or Google or Facebook. There's links there as well. So up on my website, I have the book now option here on top or down here. So just click on that. It'll take you straight through to the portal. I'll log out here. But what you have is three options. You have book appointment, you have your appointments that you've booked and cancelled or had, and you have the invoices due and paid. So what you'll need to do as a first-time user of the system, you'll need to log in, and you'll have to log in as a register for a new client. Even though you've been to the clinic before, just do the registry account. It'll link up. Put in your first name, last name, the email that you would have had with the clinic, and just make a password that you can remember, and your phone number that you would have given to me for your details. Get the verification code that is sent to the email that you put here, and the email that I would use for the clinic for sending out notifications for upcoming appointments and communication. So use that email. Don't use one that's going to be a junk mail box, because unless you really heavily scan that, then a lot of things get missed that way. So get the code, get the code sent to you. An option will come up to put the code in. Put that in, and then it'll log you in. So I'll log in as this test one. And then you go to book appointment. Basically, you get all your options straight away, which is not ideal. Just go to filter by category, and you can select what you want. You want a massage, you want the initial examination, cupping, herbal medicine, acupuncture. So we'll look at acupuncture, and say you're coming in for acupuncture and remedial together. So that takes you through to the next calendar, and then we can say, all right, we want the 11th of March, Wednesday the 11th, 10 a.m. is pretty good. And here you go. Here's all your details, who you're with, well, it's going to be with me because I'm the only provider, but gives you the date, the time, gives you what you're having, and here you can add notes. So if you want to let me know that you've been having some back pain, and then just click on book now, and it's done. It's booked in. I know it's booked in straight away. You get a reminder straight away that it's booked in, and that's it. It'll go to your appointments, and then it'll tell you here. So on the 11th of March, you booked in at 10 a.m. for acupuncture. If you wanted to cancel that, you just press this red X. I'll press the red X of this one. It'll say, are you sure? Yes. Cancel. That goes red here, and it goes red in the calendar as well, so I know straight away. If here you want to go to your invoice box, what you can find is that this invoice is already drawn. You currently owe this much money, or there's going to be options later to pay up front. I'm going to be doing prepays and care plans. So what you can do is pay up front, and it'll be a different price. I don't have this option set now, so don't bother about the pay button here. But you'll be able to have a look at your invoices through here when they're paid or unpaid. But this is what they're going to look like. And then basically you have access to that all the time. So most people have been comfortable with me not having high caps and having the online claiming option at the clinic. So this is another good way to have all your invoices together and ready to claim. So we go back home, and that is pretty much it. It's fairly simple, it's fairly quick, it doesn't lag, and it doesn't get stuck on anything. Probably the main thing is just to make sure you do pick the right service that you want, and if it's, you can't see the time or date that's available, then it's a likely chance that it's booked out already because it's only one room clinic and I can't overlap appointments at this place. So yeah, like I said, pretty straightforward. You have access to all of this, and it's kind of your little portal system into the clinic world. And just gives you a bit more flexibility and control over it. Bear in mind, when you do make appointments, they do have a cancellation policy, so make sure you read through that, and it'll ask you just to click and accept those before you make the appointment. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just send me a text or give me an email, and I can answer those for you. Or if you're having any troubles, just let me know straight away, please. It is in the teething process at the moment, and until I refine it, there might be a few things that pop up. So yeah, hopefully you find that easy and not too much trouble to switch over from the Clinico one that I had set up. And yeah, look forward to seeing you into the clinic soon. All right, bye.